Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this Lincoln key fob. Pretty straightforward process. You're going to need one of these 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon for just a few dollars. There's a link below in the description that will take you straight there. I'm also going to be using a flat tip screwdriver. This isn't mandatory, but it's definitely helpful. So on the back here, what you want to do is remove this piece, and do that by sliding this clip this way, and then just use your fingernail and slide out the mechanical key. Now take your mechanical key, place it right here, and you're just going to use this to pry the two halves apart. So once you have that apart, this is where I'm going to be using my screwdriver. You can use a mechanical key here, but it's a lot easier with a smaller screwdriver. Okay, so the old battery comes out, and the new battery goes in, and it's positive side facing downward. Put it in like that. Squeeze these back together. Replace your mechanical key, and you're all set. No need to reprogram. Thanks so much for watching. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.